Hello everyone, my name is Conrad Layn. Thank you for visiting the Conrad Layn channel. You definitely won't waste your time here, and I'm going to share a lot of gems just in this video. So for anyone who's a veteran at opening businesses, or if you're a total novice and you're just a beginner and you're not really sure what to do, how do you open a business property, what can you do? It doesn't matter if you want to open up a real estate firm, a real estate agency, an insurance agency, a medical practice, a law firm, even maybe you're an attorney. You just passed your bar exam. And you want to actually open up a law firm. Maybe you're a medical professional who wants to open up your own clinic. Maybe you're an insurance agent who wants to open up their own agency. Maybe you're whatever. Maybe you want to open up a flower shop. I don't care. A restaurant. Who knows? Anything you think that's a business and you want to open it up and succeed in that. It can be pretty costly, very confusing, and if you're not savvy in regards to starting your business, you might not know the laws for your city, state, municipality, accounting, coding. There's a lot of confusion. But there's a solution. The solution is this. There's a great company called Legalshield. You'll notice at the very top, it states Legalshield and ID Shield. I love this company. I really do. And I'm not recommending this company. I just personally love this company, so I'm sharing what I love. It's up to you. Do your own due diligence. I left the link below. You visit this website yourself and you feel like it's a good company for you, sign up. If you don't like it, that's fine as well. Do what you got to do. I'm sharing what I love. I love this company. For those that know who I am or those that don't know who I am, my name is Conrad Layn, as I mentioned earlier. I actually have been insurance licensed for over 10 years, over a decade, real estate license. I'm a business consultant, and I have a background in mitigation. For those that know what that vernacular means, that just simply means risk reduction. So I have quite a bit of clients that are in real estate investors, insurance brokers, dealerships. I've helped quite a bit of people, restaurant owners, and the list goes on. I've built a portfolio of clients that I help personally, and this is one of the companies I've seen make their life very easy. The last thing you need is stress. You could be sued for sneezing. For those that know, it's a very litigious society, and unfortunately, you could be crossing the street and someone could sue you and lie on you, or whatever the case is. You just want to protect yourself. You don't want someone defaming you. It could be libel as well. Someone could say something in the article or in a video. You want to protect yourself properly. So this is really good for anyone. It doesn't matter if you're a YouTuber, if you're an entertainer, if you're a real estate agent, real estate broker, real estate investor, if you're a doctor, like a physician, and you want to maybe start your own practice and you're not really sure how to do it because physicians are very intelligent. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how intelligent you are. It's just a litigious society. Someone could pretend to slip on the sidewalk in front of your clinic, and there you go. You just want to protect yourself properly. This is not legal advice. I'm not giving you legal advice. I'm not your attorney. I'm not your insurance agent. I'm not your consultant. I'm just your friend on YouTube sharing what I love, and you can do your own due diligence, which I always strongly recommend. Please follow the links below, but let's dive into it. I've been talking too long about this. I digress. The point is this. If you want to learn how to start your business properly, this is a great company that not only has resources all over the States, United States, also Canada. So it doesn't matter if you want to start a business in Canada or if you want to start a business in the US, the United States of America, you can actually contact Legalshield, the link below, and you can sign up for this. And I left the link below. It's called Legalshield Launch. You'll see it over here, memberships, form a business, select plans. Voila, the page we were originally at. That's simple as that. You do that, you simply scroll down. That's the price, $149 plus state filing fees. To my personal opinion, and each their own, do what you gotta do. Like, you don't have to pay this company, but for that price, to not only give you access to attorneys in every state that specialize. A lot of other companies, and I've been around a long time, like assisting people. A lot of these other companies, I'm not going to mention any names, they're great at certain parts, but they'll have limited resources in regards to attorneys. They'll have limited resources where it's one attorney answering like real estate questions, and then he's answering also insurance questions, and then he's answering auto dealership questions. It's like, but he's not special. He's just a general attorney, not to take anything away. You want someone who's a specialist. Legalshield, they see him as specialists. So for example, if you're getting married, even if it's something personal, you want to create a will, they'll specifically set you with an attorney who only does that and specializes in that. Same with if you want to real estate, if you want to practice real estate, you're a real estate investor, you want to learn how to protect yourself, maybe create like a holding company, or if you're trying to systematically create some type of syndication, or if you're trying to do some type of 1031 exchange, or whatever the case is. Don't mean to throw different vernaculars at you, but the point is, they give you the attorney that specializes for your specific niche, not just a general attorney. That's one of my main reasons I love LegalShield. Second, they really help you with the whole ID shield. If you want to protect your identity, especially as you start growing your assets, they really help with that, and they're really cost effective for all the benefits they offer. So not only for $149 plus state filing fees, states it right there, pretty clear, pretty transparent, right? Pretty conspicuous. At the end of the day, they help you create the company. They help you if you need to get a tax EIN number, which is the employer identification number. That simply is the number that you have connected to your company, your entity, LLC, or corporation, that essentially allows you to pay someone or protect yourself and separate and build credit. That's a whole nother animal that you need a part of your business. So they help you get EIN, they help you start your business, make sure the name's not taken. They help you, even if you need to assist this with maybe copyrights, trademarks, they have a plethora of advice. They help you with wills. But most important, this video is about starting your business. This makes it really easy for the low fee of $149 and plus state filing fees, which most state filing fees is usually pretty cost effective. You get a company that backs it with a law firm that's thousands of attorneys all over the United States and Canada. So that's pretty much it, people. I'm gonna scroll down here. Like that. Unlike other companies, we don't offer quick do-it-yourself DIY, do-it-yourself solutions that leave you to figure out the details on your own. With Launch by LegalShield, you will always talk to your lawyer who will assist you through the entire LLC formation. We're here every step of the way. I can say I've had clients that have used this company, and I have a lot of clients. This is one of the best, I would say, I've seen, where they not only return your calls as soon as you request, they call you typically that day and actually assist you, give you strategies, take as much time as you need. They don't rush you. Phenomenal service for the low price of $149 plus your state filing fees. $149 is the fee they charge you, plus of course your state filing fees for filing it, but it's very low in comparison, and you get this done the right way. So now you have someone who gets not only the tax EIN number for you, they help you with also getting the proper name and making sure, like, to do their best to help make sure you put you in a direction where you're not sued right away, and not making sure that your name's not taken. They do all that for you. And yes, you can do this yourself, and there's nothing wrong with doing it yourself. I actually love doing things myself too, so I understand. But sometimes, especially if you're in the beginning, and even if you're not in the beginning, maybe you're a veteran, maybe this just saves you time. This is peace of mind at that point. You know, you just want to make sure it's done the right way. And most importantly, the biggest, even if you say, hey, Conrad, Layn, I could do this myself. Yes, you can. But what you can't do, you're not the attorney who has all these different experiences. Even if you're an attorney starting a law practice saying, hey, I have an attorney, I'm not going to do this. That's great, but you only have one or two different niches that you're actually specialized in. This goes into, if you want to talk to an attorney who's strictly specialized in banking, real estate, investment, stocks, the financial ones. There's in every niche they pretty much have an attorney and a team that specializes only in those type of cases and situations. That's the benefit. So forget, yes, you could probably do this yourself and start your own company yourself or go to another company. What you can't get is all the experience of all these attorneys that actually can really help you propel you. The last thing you need is getting in trouble, and they help you with strategies. If you need a strategy, if you need to put something in the will, if you need an execution, like maybe a plan drawn out, they'll help you with that. And this gives you the advantage, people. Look at this. We're here every step of the way, and we don't just disappear once your business is formed. You'll receive 3 months of continued support with legal advice and consultation on a wide variety of business matters. Wide variety of people. So what they do essentially is the memberships at this time, and it can always go up and it can always go down, is $29.95 for the person, which is another cost. And that's the LegalShield membership, where you get attorney services for $29.95, people. You can, and it's unlimited. You can ask them as many questions as you want. Pretty cool. And they answer typically same day. So that's a cool thing. So, but what they do, since you buy this, they give you 3 months to really test this thing out. and get to use as many, ask all your questions. If you have banking questions, you have whatever the case is. If you end up going to through like a lawsuit, they help you with that. They have attorneys that will actually show up to court for you. That's another benefit. Not only do they give you advice, they have attorneys that will actually show up to court for you. Pretty cool. So this is what's really cool about that. But that's when you actually purchase this and you get a Legalshield plan, you actually have attorneys that you can call if you like. They give you a number where if you need a 24/7 number, you can call attorneys 24/7. During business hours, you can call their law firm. And again, they will show up to court for you. Pretty cool. You want to talk to them about the situations, but they can actually schedule that. If you have like a court, they can actually be the law firm that represents you. This is what you get for just the low amount of $149 plus 3 additional months of personal business membership of legal membership. And if you want to continue, pay that $29.95. And they have other plans as well, but I just want to keep it simple. Look at this. Look at that. Receive continued legal support after forming your business with 3 months of Legalshield's personal legal plan, plus the home business supplement. With access to a law firm, you won't waste time trying to deal with complex legal issues on your own. Look at that. Business name check. Find the right name for your business. Your lawyer will make sure your chosen business name is legally available and doesn't infringe on other business registrations. Yep. Business start consultation. Simply answer a few basic questions about your business, and after joining as a member, you can schedule a legal consultation with your lawyer. They will get back with you in as little as 4 business hours. Your lawyer will discuss your business goals and help you properly form an LLC. And that's so true. I totally am behind them. And do your own due diligence. I'm not recommending, I'm not telling you to do this. I'm just sharing. I love this company. I've seen it work wonders for my clients and other people I've known, and they're great. And again, you get attorneys could be hundreds upon hundreds of dollars per hour. You're saving that just for the low amount of $149. Entity formation. Forming a business entity protects your personal assets and unlocks the ability to open bank accounts, enter into contracts, hire employees, and get business licenses and permits under your business. Launched by Legalshield, it gives you access to a law firm to help form an LLC. And also, I'm going to add one to that. Credit. If you're trying to build business credit, you want to do it the right way, people. Look at this. Tax ID EIN. Your lawyer will file the required paperwork to receive your employer identification number. The federal tax identification number not only allows the IRS to recognize your business for tax reporting purposes, but it also empowers you to open bank accounts and apply for credit in your business name. Right there. Bam. Worry-free filing. We've taken the confusion out of filing your business LLC formation. Your Legalshield lawyer will prepare all the necessary paperwork to properly form your LLC following your review and approval. We'll submit your documents to the state on your behalf so you can be confident knowing it was done right. And that's it, people. It's pretty simple. That's about it, really. Get a plan. And voila, you just fill out your information. That's it, really. Now, I'm going to share my screen shortly. Look at this. You type in your email, you type your own password, you type the password, and that becomes your account. You have questions, call that number right there, 1-800-654-7757. Again, I totally believe in doing your own due diligence and researching. Don't believe me just because I'm a dude on YouTube. Like, I'm telling the truth, and I'm giving my personal opinion and perspectives. I'm not giving advice. Always do your due diligence, but I love this company. You can call them. You can check the website that I left below. And once you purchase it, you're in business pretty much. They're really fast, and they'll help you build your company for you. So you just set it and forget about it, people. For that low amount, you get all those benefits. The attorney that will help you. You can start getting an EIN, so you start building your business credit and get advice. You can even talk to an attorney that specializes in business credit or personal credit. It's crazy. It's so niche. It's so specified, where to a meticulous degree, where these attorneys specialize in every facet of law. It's phenomenal. But they have thousands, again, thousands all over the United States. And if you live in Canada or you want to start a business in Canada, that's great too. Anyways, follow me through. I know this video is kind of going on, but I want to give you a full experience on what it's like to sign up. So you're like, hey, why is this taking so long? Because I want to show you a full experience of what it's like to sign up and explain from my personal opinion so that you can understand how to actually do this. Now I'm going to share what it's like to make the purchase. So this is basically when you first fill out your information. You put your email, your password, and voila, it says sign up. That will illuminate, and you sign up. Now follow me through, and I'm going to share what it's like to actually purchase this. And remember, it's $149. Hey y'all, thank you for following me through. This is Conrad Layn again. I know this video is pretty lengthy, but I want to share a full experience so you know what to expect. If you're one of those lucky fellows or gals that want to actually start your business through Legalshield, I want to pretty much get rid of any type of confusion as much as I possibly can. But again, I'm not giving you advice. This is my personal opinion and perspective. I'm far from perfect, but I love this company and I highly recommend doing your own due diligence and making sure it's a good fit for you. I'm just a dude on YouTube. Don't take my word for it. Don't try to litigate me. But I'm sharing my experiences that I've had a good experience with Legal Shield. I have a lot of clients that use this service and they're great. So this is what I recommend from my personal opinion again. But here we go. So look, let's name your business. This gives you a selection to be able to select a business, and you can pick up to 3 names here, which is a good idea because you can put one, but say if that name's taken, right? So let's do this. First name, right? But say that's taken. Okay. If first name's not taken, then you're good to go. You're a happy capper, right? But if it is taken, a second name will help. Let's do that. Maybe that name is not taken. And if that name's taken, you at least have a third choice. And that one's good. So that's about it. You put in the names, then you select continue. If you have your address already, like your office address, or if it's your home address, whatever address, if you have an address already, great. If you don't, the cool thing, like states up here, where would you like to form your business? And it states on the bottom. If you do not have an address, just the state is enough for now. So eventually, you'll want to put some type of address, could be your home address or some other address, maybe it's your virtual address, whatever the case is. It doesn't matter if you're in Canada or the United States. They have thousands of attorneys that will help you, and the attorney will create this for you and do a name check, etc. But all you need is to state. And the cool thing about this, even if you say, for example, like I live in California, right? Say I want to open a business in California, great. If I want to open a business in Connecticut, great. If I want to open a business in Florida, great. Georgia, great. Hawaii, great. Idaho, great. Indiana, great. Doesn't matter what state it is, I can actually open it. Same if you're Canadian, or if you want to open a company in Canada, you can actually go and actually select a province that you want to open up, because Legal Shields in Canada and the United States, they have thousands of attorneys, and you just simply do that. So even if you don't have an address, if you have an address, perfect. But if you don't have an address, simply select the state or the province, continue. And here, industry, you select the industry that you're currently going to be opening a business in. Is it transportation, communications, tobacco, services, retail trade, public administration, mining, manufacturing, gambling, firearms, finance, insurance, real estate, cannabis, alcohol, etc., or agriculture, forestry? If your choice is here, select that choice and you're good to go. If it's not here, select the choice. Maybe like, for example, services, or if you have a unique service that's not here, or maybe a unique industry that's not here, do that. And just type in what your industry is. Maybe it's your entertainer. Okay, I didn't see that, right? Entertainer. That's like a form of service, but hey, let's say entertainment. Voila. And you type in a little bit of description about what your company does. I'm not going to go in further, but maybe you have an industry that's not in the above drop down. That's fine. Type in whatever industry is. Voila, you're good. That's the easy answer. And you just type in your brief description for what your business is or what you plan for it to do. Continue. Do you expect to hire any employees in the first year? This is up to you if it's yes or no. Again, this is not advice. I'm just sharing. You have to know that. Do you plan to hire? Maybe if no, then put no. If yes, then yes. Does your business already have an EIN number, employer identification number, what I mentioned earlier? So an employer identification number, EIN, is the federal tax ID for your business. You need it to pay federal taxes, hire employees, open a bank account, and apply for business license and permits. So if you already have EIN, you just select yes, and then you put your EIN down here. Voila. And if you don't know it, they allow you to skip it. And if you don't know it or don't have one, continue. Voila. Best way to reach you, type in your email, type in your phone number, and then this will actually populate. And then you continue and you're done. And that's a sell. And that's how you start your business, and they will reach you as soon as possible, usually within the same day. That's pretty cool about it. Usually within 4 business hours, usually faster than that from my experience. I've seen my clients. I have clients that actually live by this company and they love it, and that's the only reason I'm sharing it with y'all, because maybe I'm not your business consultant, and I'm not trying to be your business consultant. I'm not even offering service. I'm just simply sharing what I've heard works for other people. I've been insurance licensed for over 10 years. I've been a business consultant for many years, a real estate license for multiple years. And a lot of my clients love this company. This company isn't that known. If you know about it, great. But people don't know the power in this company. The fact that you can start a business and have an attorney that will walk you through, do all the paperwork for you, and for such a cost-effective amount. And they'll help you with strategies. They'll help you with, like, when you have questions, they're really good about answering it right away. And Like they don't cap you at you only can ask as many questions. Like they really do their best to help you. And they have thousands of attorneys. There's so many different niches. It's not just one. So it's not a lot of these companies that are competitors have attorneys that only have so much knowledge, and they're general. Like you'll have the real estate attorney answering marriage questions. It's like, no, those are two different practices. This has a marriage attorney that specializes only in marriage cases. They have a real estate investment attorney specifically that only specializes in real estate investments. Then have residential attorneys that are residential real estate. And then they have commercial real estate attorneys. They have stock attorneys, finance attorneys, insurance attorneys. They have a lot of different entertainment attorneys. The point is, do your own due diligence. Follow the link below if you want to join or do your own due diligence. I love the company personally, but do your own due diligence. It's not advice. Again, don't try to sue or litigate me. This is my opinion. This is partially entertainment, but also, truthfully speaking, my real representation of what I believe in. And I love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn. Conrad Layn out. And also hit that join button below if you want one-on-one coaching. Conrad Layn out. Peace.